Welcome, in front of me is Xiaomi RedmiBook 14, and in this video I'll show you how to turn on your laptop. So to turn on the laptop you simply have to press the power button, which is located at the top right edge above your keyboard. Just click it, and once you click on it your laptop will start up, and if it didn't happen that means that your laptop is discharged, and you'll simply have to plug the charging cable into it right here on the left side. If you can see it, it lights green. Okay, and once your laptop is at least partly charged, clicking this button should work for you just fine. And basically that's it. That's how you turn on the laptop. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.